Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by opening devices settings. Now scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. After that, select Location Services. Now click on this switcher next to Location Services and select Turn Off in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, location of my iPhone is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!